No, man, no, don't interfere.
Who on earth would do such a thing? 13? Can you come here? Coming. What's up? Somebody just, I have no idea. But someone is trying to air this episode. Who on earth would do that? On the screen bug, it was Nicktoons. Wait, Nicktoons? Nicktoons! Get over here right now! What do you want for my life? Casper, do you think Nicktoons did this? Yeah. It's because I'm the main channel. I can do whatever I want. What do you mean? This is my god. What did I even do? I didn't even do anything wrong. You are literally trying to air this! Because... oh my god. The Smooch bird kisses the blue character that I didn't even know his name. Are you serious, Nicktoons? You can't even do that! That's illegal! And I can literally air some Nickelodeon shows I want, so what's the point? There is absolutely no point! Delete this episode now! I can do whatever I want! Literally! No, you cannot do anything! You're cringe! No, you guys are! I'm Casper, the friendly ghost, and I'm gonna cook you and your mom and your junior! Casper, the friendly ghost, shut up! Listen, if I delete this episode, will you guys be so proud of me and not be so mad again? No! Plus, you are grounded, and today is your punishment day. Paramount, go get Nicktoons. He's gonna have a punishment day. With pleasure. Come here!